Hey guys, it's Doug with Ultimate Lighting Solutions. Going to give a quick tour of the 2019 Dodge Ram that we just finished up. This is actually a repeat customer. The customer, we had previously installed lights on this truck. They were all red-white combination, dual color fusions. And the customer asked us to change them out to red-white and blue-white dual color, and also replace the Typhoon handheld with the Typhoon Full Function. So we did that. So I'll give you a quick walk around. So this is the Typhoon Full Function. We've got mode 1, gives the ramp up and ramp down. Mode 2 is just the instant on off. Tone 1, tone 2, air horn. We've got the front setup, rear, which we added the sides. We've got the front flood that's doing the interior light bar, as well as the 600 that's behind the grill. The side lights is doing the white flood to the running boards, and then the red blue is changing the tricolor function to red and blue only of the 800 facing rear. So let's do a quick walk around. Again, this is the 2019 Dodge Rebel. It does have automatic steps. So we mounted the dual color fusions, 180-degree optics, one red white, one blue white, synchronized with each other, as well as sync to both sides of the truck. In the windshield, this is the Feniex interior light bar, dual color, half red white, half blue white, and then down in the grill, this is the 600 light stick, half red white, half blue white. They're not synced together. It's just timing is causing them to flash in unison. Again, this is the exact same setup as the customer had before, with the exception of we added the Fusion light stick 800 to the top of the bed. Previously there was two 200s in the back window that just didn't pack enough punch to the rear of the truck, so we changed that out to the 800 dual color. And in mode 2, that light flashes red and blue only for nighttime use, as not to create a distraction for the drivers. I'll show you that here in just a second. So using mode 2 on the Fusion 800 light stick in the back window changes it from red, white, blue, white to red and blue only. Again, this is in an effort to reduce some night blindness and things like that to approaching drivers. So we did just the red, blue only in the same flash pattern. I'll show you the front flood. Front flood mode is going to give white lights for the interior light bar, as well as the 600 in the grill. Tremendous amount of light output. Good versatility with the optics, a mixture of 180-degree and 40-degree optics. The 600 is mounted behind the grill, and it does not affect the light output, and is not affected by the active shutters used for fuel management. If you'd like more information about this vehicle, or if you'd like to receive information about your vehicle, whether it's a privately owned vehicle or an agency, I'd love to hear from you. You can send us an email at ulsolutions@hotmail.com. Send us a message on Facebook. Follow us on YouTube. You can check out our website, www.ultimatelightingsolutions.net. Thanks for stopping by.